Hello people of Earth, welcome back to my another video where I'll do unboxing and full walkthrough of second generation Xiaomi Yeelight bedside lamp. I know it is difficult to pronounce and it took a lot of practicing. But before we go there, I really request you guys to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon to stay tuned to my future video content. I make weekly videos and your subscription really inspires me to create more content like this. So please don't forget to click that red button. So let's get started. I'll open this box with my fancy new knife and let's see what do we have in there. Let's open it and we've got a booklet first. Let's see this booklet. And this booklet, okay, it goes like basic lamp controls in there. Where's the port and how to connect your adapter. It's pretty simple and pretty basic. Let's keep it on the side. Yeah. And what else we have got? We've got a power adapter, a simple one, pretty basic power adapter. The lamp itself looks really beautiful and elegant. It has now Mijia logo instead of Yeelight logo compared to its first generation lamp. And there is a port for connecting the power adapter. The controls on the top are minimal. Here's a power button, swipe controls for the to change the brightness levels, and a button to change the color. Let's turn it on. This 9 inches tall cylinder is surprisingly bright and supremely functional. The entire lamp is illuminated with the light of varying colors and brightnesses. You can set up the brightness level by swiping your finger clockwise or anti-clockwise, which is really a cool feature. It has 60 million colors in its arsenal, some of which you can set using the preset button on the top by just clicking the button and it just changes the color. You can also turn the lamp on and off by just clicking this power button. You can also change the brightness and the colors together by clicking this preset button and the swipe controls together, which is really an awesome feature. The best part of this lamp is that you can use it with your phone. You can either use Yeelight app or the Mi Home app. I prefer the first one because I use the iPhone, and this app, Mi Home app, is not really optimized for latest iPhone models, and it is a little buggy to be honest. You can control just about every aspect of the light with these apps, like setting up a timer when you drift off to sleep, or by choosing a light as per your mood. For example, you're watching a movie or you're on a date or whatever thing you're into. No matter how particular you are about the shades of blue or pink, I'm pretty sure you'll definitely find the one you like within this app. You can also control this lamp with a remote control, but unfortunately Xiaomi doesn't ship it with the lamp. You have to buy it extra. You can integrate it with the Google Home or Alexa or whatever smartwatch or smart product you have at home. It works with everything so perfectly. So my final verdict, I really like the lamp's design and how it works. The controls are really fluid and smooth and the app works perfectly. In my opinion, it is a great product for this price range of $60 compared to the other similar products on the market, and it can be easily integrated with the third-party services if you are into those things. So that's a wrap for this video, guys. Do let me know in the comments if you like this video and click the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I really need that support, and click that bell icon to stay connected to the future videos. Till the next time, signing off, VK. Bye bye.